Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to presenting the solution for the problem that we have been given. So first of all, this is the group member. The first one is Andy Rushaidi bin Fazli Ashari, and next is me, Muhammad Harisakil bin Zulkifli, and next Muhammad Adli Fadlan bin Azameh, and next we have Muhammad Izhan bin Hashan Aladi, and next we have Muhammad Luqman bin Abdul Hamid. So we will be presenting two questions from topic Fundamental of Logic, which is implement all of subtopic. This is the first question. The first question is construct the truth table to determine whether the given expression is a tautology, and I need to explain my answer. And the second one is to draw the switching network for the expression above, and the third one is to using the law of logics simplify the expression, and the fourth one is draw the switching network based on the answer for the three. And as you can see here, that the expression we've been given has about three variables, which is A, B, and C. First off, I will be explaining the truth table. The truth table has three input, which is A, B, and C. So because of that, we will have about 8 rows of data. As you can see here, first off, he has A and B, which we will get the output is truth, false, 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 and then we will have the opposite of C. We do that in order to make the next expression a lot easier. So we will get false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and then we will have opposite of C and A, which we will get false, true, false, true, false, 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 and then from the one with A and B and the one with opposite C and A, we will go with the OR, and we get truth, false, true, false, 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 and then we will do the one with C or B, which we will get truth, false, 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 true, false, 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 and then we will combine all of them and we will get truth, false, 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 and because of that we will have the questions as not tautology, because the final answer is not all true, and because of that the argument is invalid.
Thank you, Haris, for present answer 1 for question 1, and I, Muhammad Luqman bin Abdul Hamid, will present to you answer 2 for question 1. So the question is, draw the switching network for the expression above. So the expression is open bracket A and B, or C negation C and B, or open bracket C and B. So because of A and B or negation C and B at the in front, we put both of them at the top one and C and B at the bottom one. So it will be like this, and the open of the switching network, we put A, and the closed one it will be B, and the switching network for the expression will be like this.
Thank you, Luqman, for his question. So moving on to my question, the third question is, by using the laws of logic, simplify the expression. So the expression that we got is in the bracket of A and B, or negation C and B, and or C and B. So the first thing first, we use the distributive law to simplify the expression, and then we got the result is B, and in the bracket of A or negation C, or in the bracket of C and B. And after that we use the commutative law, and as a result we got the B, and in the bracket A or negation C, or in the bracket of B and C. And the next one, we use the same law that is commutative law. And then the result we got A or negation C and B, or in the bracket B and C. And the last one, we got the final result using the absorption law, and that is we got A in the bracket E A or negation C and B.
Based on the answer from question 3, which is A disjunction negation C and conjunction B, the switching network start from terminal A to parallel switches that assign A at the top and B at the bottom, and negation C at the bottom. After that is combined, serial switches are used and B is assigned before ending in terminal B.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, Anik. So for my part is question July 2021. So the first question is declare the primitive proposition using symbols P, Q, R and S. So the first symbol is P. P declare as raining. The second one is Q. Q declare as go shopping mall, and the third one is R. R declare as meet friends, and the last one S. S declare as buy cake. Then the second question is write the premise of the argument using the symbol. So the first premise is negation P implies Q. The second premise is Q implies R, and the third one is S implies R, and the last one is negation S. So the third question is find the conclusion of the argument using the rules of inference. So first of all, we need to compare the implies 1 and implies 2, and using law of syllogism, and we get negation P implies R. And next we compare the implies 3 and 4, and using the modus tollens, then we get negation R. The last one is we compare the implies 5 and 6 using modus tollens, and the answer is P. So the conclusion is it is raining.